3, 2, 1.
Creative, inspiring, beautiful. Okay. Eggs. Oh, Father. Oh, Father.
Who said that?
Okay. I think based off this group, we can tell that Ghana is a history of Pan-Africanism that spread throughout Africa. You know, even as Ghana's independence.
Hey, he defined Ghana in a big way. You meet people and they say, oh, where are you from? You say Ghana, they say Kofi Annan. Okay, that's the way we define our nation, by the contributions we make. My encouragement to you tonight is that if we weave these threads in excellence, okay, anything we do, if we can do it in great excellence, people remember us because we develop patterns that are long-lasting, that people will remember forever. So whatever we do, whether we're studying or we're running a restaurant or we're playing soccer, whatever we do, if we do it in great excellence, people will remember. Not only, even when you're gone, when they can't remember your name, they will remember your nation, the country that you come from.